pricing tells everyone else is selling information, I sell results. This is what premium pricing does. Let's go on to the fifth and final step. This is partners. Partners is the most potent way to sell your thought leadership. Why? Because anyone in the room can sell anyone else here. If we just have the brand story and the trust in the other person's business results, right? If I sit down for dinner with you tonight and you ask me anything, do you have a relationship coach? There's going to be one person popping up in my mind, not four. Well, probably four, but there's going to be one person I'm going to say, that's the one I recommend. Because my credibility is on the line if I recommend someone, right? If I'm going to recommend that person to you, I'm going to tell her brand story. And suddenly you're way more likely to buy, right? Because I just helped her sell. And I did it enthusiastically. She doesn't need to help herself. I did it. We are all in this position all the time, every day. So feed your brand story to your partners, evangelists, but also people who will gladly take the commission to sell you and then see the magic happen. This is step number 5. I want you as a homework to make a list